Welcome to our video. As you can see in the cart page, the text shipping calculated at checkout is shown above the checkout button. In this tutorial, I'm walking you through the way to remove shipping calculated at checkout in your Shopify store. It can help you reduce the apparent cart rate and convert more sales. Let's jump into it right now. Step 1. Access your theme settings. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Then, navigate to the online store section from the left-hand menu and click on Themes. After that, click on the three dots icon next to your current theme and select the Edit Default Theme Content option to open the Theme Customizer, where you can make changes to your store appearance and settings. Step 2. Locate the shipping calculated checkout text. In the theme editor, type calculated at checkout into the search bar to find the specific field or text you want to change. Then you can see various sections where shipping information might be displayed, such as the product page, cart page, and checkout page. Step 3. Edit or remove the shipping calculated checkout text. When you locate the field contained shipping calculated at checkout, you can proceed to edit it or remove it. To remove the text, simply highlight the text and delete it. After that, hit the Save button. You can also visit your store front end to check how it looks in the cart page. Reload your cart page and see. It works. The shipping calculated at checkout is removed now. To replace the shipping calculated at checkout with your custom text, you just need to clear the text and type in your designed custom message. Ensure that your new text is clear and provide the necessary information to your customers. For example, you can type something like free shipping available or shipping included in price. One more important note is you must ensure that you have removed or edited all instances of the phrase across different pages to maintain the consistencies throughout the store. Finally, don't forget to save it and preview how it works. And here, you have it. Your custom message is displayed now. And that's it. You have successfully removed the shipping calculated at checkout text in your Shopify store. Thank you for watching.